Balmex Diaper Rash Cream 4 ounces, pack of 3 by Balmex is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Helps treat and prevent diaper rash. Protects chafed skin due to diaper rash and helps seal out wetness. Reduces redness in one diaper change. Protects against all 3 leading causes of diaper rash to help keep your baby comfortable and rash-free. Plus protects against digestive enzymes found in dirty diapers that irritate skin. This is designed to help stop the rash before it starts by providing extra protection against skin irritation. If a rash develops, it will work quickly to relieve discomfort and help heal the rash. Contains the #1 doctor-recommended ingredient for the treatment of diaper rash plus soothing vitamins B5 and A. Goes on smoothly, allowing for gentle application and removal to keep baby's delicate skin comfortable. Active ingredients: zinc oxide 11.3%. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Made in US. Helps treat and prevent diaper rash.